Hello everyone. Today we're talking about the Oppo Find S, sleek and stylish smartphone from Oppo. It's not the Pro model, but with its amazing features and performance, it's definitely a top choice. Let's dive in and see what this phone has to offer. Design and build quality. The Oppo Find X8 comes with a stunning 6.59-inch AMOLED display, which is bright and smooth with a 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ support. The phone has a solid aluminum frame, and both the front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, making it durable and premium. Looking.it also has an impressive IP68 IP69 rating, which means it's water and dust resistant and can survive underwater up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Performance and processor. Now let's talk about performance. The Find X8 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, one of the most powerful processors in the market. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, this phone handles everything smoothly. It also comes with UFS 4.0 storage ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB, ensuring fast and responsive storage for all your needs. Camera setup. For camera lovers, the Oppo Find X8 doesn't disappoint. It features a versatile triple rear camera setup, 50MP main camera with OIS, 50MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, 50MP ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. The front camera is equally impressive, with a 32MP lens for sharp selfies and video calls. If you love making videos, this phone can record 4K HDR videos with Dolby Vision support. Battery and charging. The Find X8 comes with a large 5630 mAh battery, which supports 80W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. It also includes PD and PPS charging technologies, making charging faster and more efficient. Connectivity. When it comes to connectivity, the Oppo Find X8 has everything you need, including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 with advanced audio codec, 5G support, NFC,